The sheer existence of life in our universe may not be the result of a random cosmic accident, but rather a sequence of events so precise they defy mathematical probability. Scientists are increasingly identifying a series of physical parameters that appear to be fine-tuned to an impossible degree, leading many to question if the foundations of our reality were intentionally set. From the four fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, and the weak and strong nuclear forces, the balance is strikingly delicate. If gravity were slightly stronger, stars would collapse prematurely; if it were weaker, matter would never have coalesced into galaxies. Similarly, the strong nuclear force is calibrated perfectly to allow for the creation of carbon and oxygen, the very building blocks of biological life. Any slight deviation in electromagnetism would prevent atoms from bonding, leaving the universe as nothing more than a chaotic cloud of scattered particles. The precision extends to our immediate neighborhood. The Moon's mass and orbit are perfectly situated to stabilize Earth's tilt, providing the steady seasons necessary for complex life. Earth itself sits in the heart of the habitable zone, where water remains liquid rather than boiling away or freezing into eternal ice. Even the air we breathe is a miracle of chemistry, with an oxygen concentration maintained at approximately 20%. Our high-energy brains can function without the constant threat of global wildfires or accelerated biological aging. In the mid-20th century, astronomer Fred Hoyle discovered that the nuclear energy levels of carbon-12 must exist at a specific, previously unknown resonance for life to be possible. He famously remarked that it seemed as though someone had monkeyed with the laws of physics. Today, scientists have identified at least 32 such parameters that are not only precise but deeply interconnected. The odds of the early universe forming under these exact conditions are calculated by Nobel laureate Roger Penrose as 1 in 10 to the power of 10 to the 123rd power, a number so small it is virtually zero. While some researchers look for new particles to explain this mystery and others propose the existence of a multiverse, some philosophers suggest we might be living within a sophisticated simulation. Regardless of the origin, the reality remains that for any individual to exist today, billions of variables had to align perfectly over 13 billion years. From the placement of a cosmic gear to the specific moment of a person's birth, existence is a collection of countless miracles occurring simultaneously. In this grand clockwork system, the very fact that a human being is alive to contemplate the universe is the ultimate proof of significance.